Lesson 12. Food from plants. Let's learn. Plants that give us food. Most of our food comes from plants. Some plants give us fruits. Mango, apple, orange, grapes. Some plants give us vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Brain tickler. Name a stem that we use as medicine. Carrot, radish. We eat roots of these plants. Potato, ginger. We eat stems of these plants. Cauliflower, broccoli. We eat flowers of these plants. Tomato, okra, bhindi. We eat fruits of these plants. Some plants give us pulses. Pulses are seeds of plants. Arhar, moong, gram, beans. Some plants give us cereals. Cereals are also seeds of plants. Wheat, rice, maize, barley. Info Hive. Raw garlic has many medicinal properties. Some plants give us spices. Spices make our food tasty. Cloves, coriander, cardamom, garlic. Tea, coffee, and sugar also come from plants. Recap. Most of our food comes from plants. We get fruit and vegetables from plants. We get pulses and cereals from plants. We get spices from plants. We get tea, coffee, and sugar from plants.